Hey, what's up, guys? It's Quick Gaming here, and we're back with Doki Lit Club. And yeah, we're
let's see what Anal Cave does next.
Yep.
Okay, you read this part.
I rack my brain in attempt to back myself up.
Why do you? She looks so weird and shit.
Yeah. I think that conveying feelings with few words can just be impressive as well. It lets the reader's imagination take over. Imagination. And Natsuki's poems did a real good job of that.
Like I said, and Nazi's poem.
Nazis.
Nazizi. Yeah.
Yeah.
I do it the Asian way.
Yep.
Yes. It did, didn't I?
Did it?
Yeah.
What the hell?
Shows how much you know. That's not.
That's not.
Oh, that's you. Nutsuki.
Natsuki. I think that's enough.
Who?
Who? Me?
But she was so mean to me. She said she kind of didn't like my poem, faggot.
Natsuki's voice. Yep. Look. What we talked about. What we talked about yesterday was right.
You're fucking weird.
Writing is a real personal thing. And sharing it can definitely be hard. Something, I don't know, logic. It looks like we learned that today.
I'm gonna tell one of them's gonna murder each other.
Who knows?
One of them's gonna hang them. She's gonna hang herself.
Probably. Who knows?
You'll
never know. Even small criticism can lead to something pretty heated. I glance over my shoulder. Sayori is nodding vigorously.
She's like fucking having a seizure. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, so. You don't need to feel threatened.
Pulls out a gun. Now you need to feel threatened.
You're a great writer, Natsuki.
Natsuki.
Natsuki's voice gets hot in surprise.
Thanks for noticing, Daddy.
What the hell? She finally mutters that barely audible. Yuri?
Question mark, parentheses.
Oh my god. Yuri looks at me dejectedly. With a face like I can't help but feel bad for her as well.
If you don't do schooling at all, and you just play video games, you can learn how to read.
Oh shit, man, that's awesome. Remember, guys, don't do school, stay on drugs.
There's this whole video that I should show you. There's these, like, Sandbury schools, and essentially the teachers and the students have the same amount of power.
Wow.
So the students have, like, their own judicial system and decide who gets kicked out of school.
Whoa, that's awesome.
Yeah, and, like, they decide on everything with the teachers. And, like,
that's cool.
The whole time you get to do whatever you want to learn. You just have to learn something.
That's awesome.
And, like, you don't, and then if you just want to, like, slack off the whole day, you can.
That's...
And you can leave and come whenever you want.
That's awesome. Okay, now, I'm sure that Natsuki didn't mean everything she said. So you don't need to feel threatened either.
Whoa! Well, I'm gonna go put myself in a well with a noose, if you say so. Hi. It's not like you need to apologize for me, Anal Cave.
Anal Cave.
Sheesh. Sheesh.
Shish kebab.
Sheeps on a kebab, but they're still alive.
Natsuki takes a breath.
Stab him to the belly button. Period, parentheses. The thing about period, parentheses. Ooh, period, or parentheses.
Natsuki glances around the room.
Period. Would everyone stop staring at me? Question mark, parentheses.
Unsurprisingly, Natsuki has a harder time with that than she boasted. Sayori and Monica look away.
Bitch. Period, parentheses. Anyway, period, exclamation point, parentheses. The thing about your boobs, I didn't mean it, okay?
I love them.
Question mark, parentheses. That's all.
Oh, wow.
Period. Parentheses.
Natsuki looks away, avoiding eye contact with anybody. Anyone.
Yeah! You're naturally beautiful, Yuri! Exclamation point, parentheses. Sayori! Oh, that's it.
Sayori.
Question mark,
Oh
exclamation
my
point,
god.
parentheses. Period. Parentheses. Parentheses. I'll go make some tea. Period. Parentheses. No.
Oh.
Parentheses.
We do
Question
not
mark,
need to do the parentheses and question mark.
Parentheses. I was just trying to help. Exclamation point. Parentheses.
Oh my god.
Parentheses. I'm sure she'll appreciate it, Sayori. Oh, that's you.
I'm sure she'll appreciate that, Sayori. I pat Sayori on the shoulders.
I abuse Sayori on the shoulder. Parentheses. Well, now that we're past that, period, parentheses.
Oh my god.
Parentheses. Everyone's read each other's poems, right? Question mark, parentheses. Parentheses. I hope that it was worthwhile for everyone. Exclamation point, parentheses.
Oh my god.
Parentheses. Especially you, Anal Cave. Exclamation point, parentheses. Naruto run. Parentheses. And to be honest,
Oh my
question
god.
period, parentheses. Parentheses. It's a nice change of pace from the lazing round we got a little too used to. Period, parentheses.
Oh my god.
Parentheses. Exclamation point, parentheses. Parentheses.
So joining the club was responsible for ruining the atmosphere.
Period, parentheses. No, not at all. Parentheses. There's still time before we come home. So we'll all relax for a bit and take off all our clothes. Of course, besides chatting, we'll do lit-related things in the club room.
Lit-related thing.
So maybe we can take the chance to pick up a book or do some writing.
Or pick up a gun.
Or,
do some shooting.
After all, that's what the club is for.
Shooting?
Club Penguin. I disagree, Monica. It's to blow him up. About what? That's not the most important thing about the lit club. It's about lighting things on fire. The most important thing is having fun doing it.
F-U-N.
Of course. Shingai-hu. I guess that's why you're the vice president, Sayori. When a school shooter's in Japan, instead of saying, like, execute Order 66, they go and say, Shingai-hu, Higuchi. Nani?
Okay.
Well, I guess that's why you're the vice president of the United States of Japan, Sayori. Parentheses. Oh, fuck, they disappeared.
In the end...
In the end, they all died.
Being in the literature club probably means I can spend all my lifetime doing nothing. But in the end, it doesn't matter. I guess it's been so far, or it's been worth it so far. I don't know grammar.
Parentheses. Okay, everyone! Exclamation point, parentheses.
It is just about time for us to leave.
That was my line. How did all of you feel about sharing poems?
Poems.
It was a lot of fun! Fun! The Gazoo Kid. Well, wait, parentheses, well, comma, I'd say was worth it. Period, parentheses. It was alright, well, mostly, well, you little feminist faggot. Would you rather your daughter have feminism or cancer? What's the difference?
Wow.
There are 36 genders, and they show the guy from the SpongeBob movie laughing. And then said,
Wow.
Men beards grow faster and they anticipate sex, and then it showed that guy when he grew his beard, and it showed SpongeBob and Patrick looking scared, and then it said, CS.
Law and Order.
Yeah, Law and Order. Special Victims Report. Anal Cave, how about you?
Yeah, I'd say the same.
You're just trying to get ahead, aren't you?
It was a neat thing to talk about with everyone.
Imagine seeing that person standing in your bed at night.
Yeah, okay.
With that little fucking nose. Oh gosh, close friends. Awesome sauce!
Whoa.
In that case, we'll do the exact same thing tomorrow.
Wow.
And maybe you learn something from your friends today.
No, I just learned that a lot of people fight over
so
poems.
your poems will turn out even better.
Isn't it like our third time doing poem?
Dot.
Second?
Dot. I think it's your first.
Oh. No, I think it's our second. I don't know. Who cares?
You're gonna read.
I think to myself. I did learn a little more about the kinds of poems everyone
Are you fucking
likes.
kidding me? That was over there, like last time I was here.
Yeah, now it's not. Get your OCD destroyed.
What's next? You're gonna move the TV up there and make it a flat screen?
Yeah. With any luck,
I'll get laid.
that means I can at least do a better job impressing those I want to impress.
Doze.
Those. Do you know the way?
Do you know the way?
I am the commander.
I never freeze.
I nod to myself with the newfound determination.
Anal cave. Ready to walk home.
No. Sure, let's go. What the heck? Sayori beams at me.
Period.
It's,
I had my period, anal cave. Can I put it in your cave?
What the heck? It truly's been a while since Sayori and I spent so much time together.
I almost
weird.
want to stick my dick up her ass
Jesus Christ.
and make beautiful babies of her and force her into a cage. Did you hear that? Fucking family with 13 kids. They were found locked up in the basement and have been starved.
Oh,
And they had neighbors that didn't notice.
wow. Okay, let's continue.
I'm do that to you, Sayori?
I can't really say I'm not enjoying it either. Wow.
Fucking hell.
Sayori? About what happened
Oh
earlier.
fuck, they nutted each other earlier. What do you mean?
Do you know between
Yeah, the
Yuri and
lesbos.
Natsuki? Does that kind of thing happen often?
No. That's really the first time I've seen them fight like that. All because of you, you fucking male.
Oh my god.
I promise they're both wonderful people who will let you orgasm on them.
Wow.
Oh, why'd you get down? You don't hate them, do you?
Yeah, I hate them.
No, I do hate them. I just wanted your opinion, that's all.
I could see why they made
Good pets.
Yeah, good
pets.
Pets. With you.
Especially with those boob jobs.
Wow. Pew pew.
Kerchow. You know Anal Cave. It's nice that I get to spend time with you in the Ku Klux Club.
Wow.
I think seeing you get along with everybody is what makes me that
Happiest.
hoppiest.
Hopiest.
And I think everyone really likes you too, because you're a male. And you can be reproduced.
That's
Slash parentheses. Every day is gonna be every day, bro, is gonna be
every day we
Sigh.
live. Yeah, every day we live.
litmus.
It looks like Sayori
Looks
still
like
has
it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
what the fuck? I didn't even get to read that. Of course you skipped those. I said no more to myself than her. I don't care.
What's
anymore.
going on?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's do this.
Oh fuck. Are they actually gonna have sex?
Oh.
Oh, making it.
Okay.
Okay, vertigo. That's wait, bouncy. Shame. Bouncy anxiety.
Do
Dark.
heart.
Wait, not dark.
Do hope.
Wait. Death.
Wow.
I'm making it super like nibble. Anime.
Late. Oh wait, no.
Doki Doki.
Captive.
Candy. Chocolate. Secretive. Socks.
Socks.
Crimson. Fear. Broken. Swimsuit. Loud. Frightening. Misfortune. Uncontrollable.
Lollipop.
Disoriented. Misery.
What the heck? That's crazy. Another
Oh,
day.
we have no more time. Okay, see us the next time, fuckers. And remember, do you know Doki?